Nigel Walton travelled to Three Sisters for the CMSCC Championship. When we were last here during the 2019 season, the Spitfire had clutch problems, it rained heavily all day and Nigel spun off the track, so he was looking forward to warm and dry weather this time out. As it turned out, our pre-competition checks showed an engine fan failure which would have led to issues in the heat, but with the help of a fellow competitor we were able to effect a temporary fix despite realising we had taken the wrong type of spare fuses with us. Three Sisters is a very tight track, often used for go-karting, so our recent change to the suspension setup was put to the test. Happily, it proved to be a great improvement. On this course there is little time for gear shifts, so much of it was run in second gear with the car screaming at the red line. You'll be able to hear that and the tyres doing their best to hold on, alongside the wind noise with our new camera position. We were also lucky to get some further practice time at the end of the day to try out a few alternative tyre pressures and gear selections.